1, 2, 3, and 4. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have.
So guys, finally landed in Mumbai. Tough, chaotic and a tiring day, and bus jaldi se I have to get out. I think the final challenge of showing them the vaccination certificate is still pending. तो फटाफट दिखाता हूँ, फिर बाहर निकलता हूँ और फिर बात करता हूँ. So it's my 15th wedding anniversary, and look where I am. I'm away from home, away from the entire family, but can't help it. काम के सिलसिले में कई बार निकलना पड़ता है. So I review the fact कि पिछले 15 साल में ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ that I've not been there in city at home on my wedding anniversary, but कभी कभार होता है. But I review the fact this is the 15th a special event, special occasion, and I'm not there. But still, I think I should take this opportunity to congratulate, wish my wife, who's been a pillar of support in my entire life for the last 15 years. She's done a lot. She's done a lot in terms of sacrificing her career, day in, day out, taking care of the family, my kids, everything. And I hope this partnership goes stronger and stronger in the coming years. So here's to you, wishing you a very happy marriage anniversary, and we'll decide what to do once I'm back in Delhi. So take care, bye bye, see you, love you lots. So with that, I would like to wish you a very happy marriage anniversary, the 15th marriage anniversary, and hoping to have better and same sort of understanding in the coming years. Stay blessed, and thank you so much, love you lots. We'll see you tomorrow, and let's see, no big plans, but yes. So once again, a very happy marriage anniversary, the 15th, which is a special one. And sorry, I couldn't be there. So done with my first meeting, and now heading for the second meeting. And Mumbai में रिक्शा से और ऑटो से traveling is experience in itself. और अभी it's going to rain, लग रहा है बाहर बारिश वाला मौसम होगा, देखते हैं. So it may rain any time. बादल तो बने हुए अभी, देखते हैं. बारिश हुई तो फिर हालत ख़राब हो जाएगी अपनी. और चलते हैं अब दूसरी मीटिंग की ओर. See you. मुंबई की बाई लेन्स में से निकलते हुए, बिकॉज बाहर पूरा जाम लगा हुआ था, तो वी थॉट एक शॉर्टकट लेते हैं. और टिपिकल बाई लेन्स ऑफ मुंबई. So not very different from any other city. काफ़ी कुछ मिलता जुलता है. And finally I think बाहर मेन रोड पे तो अब आ गए हैं. So matter of maybe another 10 minutes before I reach my next meeting point. तो मेरी करंट रूपरेखा सिचुएशन को देखते हुए मुझे सुल्तान मूवी का एक डायलॉग याद आता है. अब हम लाइफ में सीरियस की ओर चल लिए हैं. तो वही सिचुएशन है भाई साहब, उम्र के साथ साथ. अब ये देख लो, दूर और नज़दीक दोनों चश्मे लग गए हैं. सो अब हम लाइफ में सीरियस की ओर चल दिए हैं, यही कह सकता हूँ. finally back at ITC after the horrible experience what I had at the other one, and this is what I love the most about it. Service, and they really mean this logo. So we are close to this Mitibai College and the famous vada pav or sandwich, na Mumbai sandwich.
एक चीज
मैं वड़ा पाव लूँगा. I have vada pav.
एक चीज
दो वड़ा पाव. Let's have two vada pav.
वड़ा पाव and one pizza.
Yeah. Right next to Mitibai College. So this is Mitibai College, right?
कैश दे भाई.
Sorry?
कैश सब काट दे.
मैं देता हूँ. तीखा है रे भाई, ये भी तीखा है, हल्के वाला भी. The first bite tastes good, so waiting for the sandwich to come. Let's see how that tastes. So guys, wanted to capture something which is a little different from the others. This dosa, they have put noodles on top of it, and very different. At least I have not seen it even in Malad. I'm not sure. Are you guys regular here? आप regularly आते हैं?
Regularly.
Is it for the first time you're trying it? So how is it like? Very different from a
Very different from normal restaurant.
yeah. And you are a local Mumbaikar, is it? So what he says is it's quite good, but then for me it's quite different. I don't think so I can try something like this, but certainly looks very different. This is the famous Mitibai College and NM College, and right next to it is this famous vada pav and sandwich shop. Imagine, look at it, still very crowded, and I'm amazed to see the kind of rush. Still at this time of the day, people are still getting down, and it's all, you know, cars parked. Of course I'm standing here and I'm having it here. लोग गाड़ियों में बैठ के यहाँ खा रहे हैं, and imagine, look at it, my goodness, amazing. So what is it that brings you here? The quality of the food or the prices, or?
So I have been studying in this area. So I have my college right here, 5 minutes next to this college.
Okay.
I study in Dida Sangvi College.
Okay,
So I've been coming here since the last 2-3 years.
okay.
And I really enjoy the food
So
as
is it,
well as
is
as
it the
well
taste or the
yeah,
price?
of course it is the taste as well as the affordability. Like
Yeah.
yeah, no doubt.
And are you a local Mumbaikar?
Yeah, I'm a local. I stay in Santa Cruz.
Yeah. So same for you also?
No, they're my cousins. They've come here from Ahmedabad. So I've come.
So you brought them there,
Yeah.
Great. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And enjoy your food.
Yeah.
Sorry for
No
pausing
problem,
in middle
no
of your meal.
problem.
Thank you. Thank you. So let's see what's there in the breakfast spread today. दिस इज़ द स्टैंडर्ड स्टफ एंड हमारा सेक्शन शुरू होता है फ्रॉम हियर. सो दिस इज सांबर, द साउथ इंडियन सेक्शन एंड स्टीम्ड राइस. फ्रूट्स एंड द रेगुलर स्टफ. आई थिंक हम लोग तो वही अपना घास फूस वाला सेक्शन देखते हैं. अपना घास फूस सेक्शन यही है. So let's start the breakfast without wasting any more time. The spread overall looks good, so let me enjoy my breakfast. So guys, finally done with everything and back at the Mumbai airport. Awaiting to head back home, reach back home. Any day, Mumbai airport is one of the best airports in India, and there's no comparison. यार कंपैरिजन के लिए कुछ ना कुछ बराबर होना चाहिए ना. मुंबई एयरपोर्ट का कुछ ऐसा है कि जिससे आप इसको कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. दिल्ली विल्ली बैंगलोर हैदराबाद आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड ऑल अक्रॉस, बट देयर इज़ नो कंपैरिजन. एंड दिस इज़ अ लवली पीस ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर. लुक एट इट, लुक एट इट. This entire journey for last 2-3 days has been very tiring. आई थिंक आवाज़ से पता लग रहा होगा यार, बुरी हालत है. बट क्या करें यार, रोज़ी रोटी तो कमानी है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़ एंड जस्ट रशिंग टू माई गेट बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी क्लोज टू माई डिपार्चर टाइम. सो आई हैव टू क्विकली रश थ्रू द सिक्योरिटी गेट एंड देन डू द बोर्डिंग ऑन टाइम एंड हेड बैक होम. सो सी यू गाइज, I'll see you around. Bye bye, take care. अभी ये यहाँ एयरपोर्ट पे लगा देते हैं. कोई ख़रीदता भी है यहाँ पे? हाँ देखो देखो देखो, स्कोडा का हो रहा है. बट आई डोंट नो इफ़ एनीबडी डिसाइड्स टू बाय अ कार बेस्ड ऑन दी कार्स पार्क्ड एट द एयरपोर्ट. बट ठीक है, मैंने भी देखी थी जब मैं ख़रीदने की सोच रहा था तो सफारी लगी हुई थी. सो दिस इज़ वॉट दे हैव प्लेस्ड एट T2 टर्मिनल ऑफ मुंबई. एंड आई डाउट इफ़ रियली पीपल मेक अ डिसीजन टू बाय अ कार looking at the cars placed here. So भाई साहब टाइम कम है एंड मेरा गेट थोड़ी दूरी पे है. सो लेट मी क्विकली रश टू द गेट. सोचा था कि सिनेमैटिक कुछ कैप्चर करूँगा, बट देन आई डोंट हैव टाइम. सो लेट मी क्विकली रश टू द टर्मिनल एंड पीपल आर लुकिंग एट मी विद utter surprise and disguise. So होता है यार, the moment you see somebody holding this and talking to himself, people usually think it's something different. But then looking at the time, which I don't have it, I'll quickly rush. I think this is what I've already captured in one of my vlogs, which I've already shown it to you. So let me quickly figure out where's my gate, which is 41A. So see you once I'm back in Delhi. Bye bye, take care, God bless. The Irish house looks good. Abhi, since I don't have time, otherwise I would have done a good long review here. Maybe next time around when I'm there in Mumbai. Right now I'm in a rush to cash, so next time around maybe. Yeah, sure. Something different and good about Mumbai airport is the historical movements what they've placed here, which looks good. Abhi, since I'm in rush, since I'm in a rush, I cannot capture all of it. So maybe next time around when I'm traveling, which probably would be sometime next week, since I have to come here, I'll try and capture all of it. So wait for some more time and I'll be back.